work on is out Chibata. Now this is a capoeira technique. This is a flashier technique, so I don't recommend using this for a combat situation. So we're going to do it traditional from the square stance. So that would be in capoeira when you come back to square. So here we are. Changing, dropping your weight, and I'm just going to reach over. And there's a little bit of a hop. I'm reaching over as far as I can, and as I do that, I do give it a little bit of a hop. This leg has kind of a chamber, and then this leg kicks, and I'm landing on this leg. I'm going to go really slow. I give it a little bit of a hop. Hop. There we are, back to square. This is kind of like a one-arm cartwheel, but not really. It's more of a kick. You're kicking at your opponent, so you're not completely vertical. That's really all there is to this move. It's not that complicated. I'm just reaching over, hopping. This leg's gonna have a chamber, kind of a pump motion, and this leg is kicking through. So I hop as I twist around. I give it a little bit of a jump hop. Jump hop. So hard to do slow. So practice this move and have a lot of fun with it. Like I said, this isn't really a move for combat. However, it's just a fun, flashy move. Just another technique to add to your arsenal.